Fugler. Some say these monsters are funny ugly. Others say they are freaking ugly. Keepers Series 6. The designs are Bald Tooth, Annoyed Alien, Annoyed Alien, Sir Belch, Rabid, Sasquoo, Ugabooga, Squidge, Wide-Eye Widow. Rare. The rarity ratio is 1 in every 36 blind boxes. There are 9 blind boxes in a complete set. This is the heaviest blind box. These 2 blind boxes are the lightest. These 3 blind boxes have the same weight. The remaining 3 blind boxes have different weight. Unboxing the first blind box. Keepers Series 6. These are the 9 designs. I hope to get the rare Fugler. It's Sir Belch. The teeth looks like human teeth, with a silly tongue sticking out. I think it looks funny. This beige color buttonhole is known to be common among the Fugglers. Does a different color buttonhole makes the Fugler a chase? Limited edition? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Would you consider this Fugler funny ugly, or freaking ugly monster plush? Fugglers started in 2010 when a British creator, Mrs. McGettrick, found denture teeth on eBay and thought they would look funny on teddy bears. She began sewing them onto plush toys, and that's how Fugglers were created. The estimated weight for Sir Belch Fugler Keepers Series 6 is 80 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. I really want the rare Fugler plush. This Fugler looks so cute and ugly at the same time. The teeth are hidden inside the mouth. Let's find out his name. It's Ugabooga. Do you like Ugabooga Fugler? Is it funny ugly, or freaking ugly monster? The estimated weight for Ugabooga Fugler Keepers Series 6 is 77 grams. Unboxing the third blind box. I really want the rare Fugler plush. It's Old Tooth. There are 4 incisors, upper front teeth. It's the common color buttonhole. Do you agree that it's funny ugly monster? The estimated weight for Old Tooth Fuggler Keypers Series 6 is 76.7 grams. The next 3 blind boxes have the same weight. I have unboxed these Fugglers. Maybe one of them is the rare Fuggler. It's an oid alien, fluffy version. Beige color buttonhole. The weird teeth and creepy 3 eyes. Would you consider this as funny ugly, or freaking ugly monster? The estimated weight for an oid alien Fuggler Keypers Series 6 is 78.4 grams. Unboxing the 5th blind box. I have unboxed these Fugglers. Seriously hope to get the rare Fuggler. It's Wide-Eye Widow. The Fuggler has 4 molars. Beige color buttonhole. The eyes looks like human eyes. Is it a funny ugly, or freaking ugly Fuggler? Wide-Eye Widow Fuggler has the same estimated weight as an oid alien. I hope to get the rare Fuggler. It's Squidge. This Fuggler looks like Squidward from SpongeBob SquarePants, with ugly teeth. It's the common color buttonhole. I think this is a freaking ugly Fuggler, don't you agree? The estimated weight for Squidge Fuggler is the same as an oid alien and Wide-Eye Widow. These 2 blind boxes are the lightest. They have the same weight. My favorite is Rabid Fuggler. Can't wait to unbox it. It's Sasquoo. I think this is the worst and ugliest Fuggler. Beige color buttonhole. The estimated weight for Sasquoo Fuggler Keypers Series 6 is 75.2 grams. This is my last 2 chances to get the rare Fugler. It's Rabid. It's not the rare Fugler, but it's my favorite character. Such a cute tiny rabbit tooth. It's the common color buttonhole. This is my favorite. It's definitely funny ugly Fugler. I love it. Which is your favorite design? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Sasquoo and Rabid are the lightest Fugler I have unboxed. This is the heaviest blind box, also my last chance to get the rare Fugler. It's not the rare Fugler. It's annoyed alien. I am annoyed now. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. Which is your favorite Fugler? This annoyed alien is definitely a freaking ugly monster to me. I don't like this character design at all. The estimated weight for annoyed alien Fuggler Keypers Series 6 is 81.9 grams. Here's the design for the rare Fugler. I hope you get it. Good luck. If you like our unboxing video, please share it with your family and friends.